to God, all the earth. Break forth in joyous songs, sing praises to your King. With lyre and the sound of melody, trumpets and the horn. Make a joyful noise to the King, the Lord. The heavens thunder with the glory of the Lord. He is revealed in majesty and strength. Come, make a joyful noise to God, all the earth. Break forth in joyous songs, sing praises to your King. With lyre and the sound of melody, trumpets and the horn. Make a joyful noise to the King, the Lord. Let all the earth rejoice, the people sing together. How greatly they exalt before their mighty King. Come, make a joyful noise to God, all the earth. Break forth in joyous songs, sing praises to your King. With lyre and the sound of melody, trumpets and the horn. Make a joyful noise to the King, the Lord. Lift up your festal shout in the gathering of the faithful. For the Lord delights in the praise of his saints. Come, make a joyful noise to God, all the earth. Break forth in joyous songs, sing praises to your King. With lyre and the sound of melody, trumpets and the horn. Make a joyful noise to the King, the Lord. Make a joyful noise to the